Today, we dive into the thrilling world of the Ducati Multistrada V4 RS, a unique twist on the adventure bike. What sets this beast apart is its heart, a Desmosedici Strade L-derived V4 engine. Reminiscent of the Panigale V4, cranking out 177 and redlining at a remarkable 13,500 revolutions per minute. Notably, to keep your legs from toasting in traffic, the engine's ECU deactivates the rear bank of cylinders when idle, and in neutral over 70 degrees Celsius. The chassis shares similarities with the Pikes Peak Edition, featuring a monocoque aluminum frame and a tweaked steering head angle for sportier handling, the 17-inch front wheel, and Diablo Rosso for Casa tires offer enhanced agility, complemented by Allen's SmartEC 2.0 suspension and a Panigale V4-inspired braking system. The revised riding position, lower handlebars, and updated grips improve comfort and control. This exclusive model is limited in production and comes adorned with a numbered Italian flag plaque on the triple clam, priced at £31,995. The Multistrada V4 RS adds an exciting chapter to Ducati's 2024 World Premiere Series.